In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. So what you'll have to do is simply go and open your paypal.com on any browser. You can do that as well on any application or PayPal application on your phone if you want to. So normally, once you are here, you can just go and click on send, both on the phone or on PC. It's going to be the same. And from here, you'll have to enter the person email or phone number or even username or name if you want to. So let's say an example, this is our family friend's email. So I can just go and find that person and then go and click on next. So you can go from there and choose the amount that you want to send. Let's say an example, you want to send, I don't know, 20 bucks. Of course, you can choose the currency as well. So once you choose, so you can choose what is it for. So maybe my friend borrow me or something like that. And you can go and click on next. For me, I don't have any balance in my PayPal, so they'll tell me to link a card. But for you, if you do have a balance, you will not have to link a card. So for you, you can just go and choose the payments method for you. If you have your link card, they'll tell you do you want to be sent from your PayPal balance or from your card. You can just choose the payments method that you want and click on send. So once you send it, you should be good to go, and you will not have any problems next. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.